Hello, hello, hello. Today is Friday. Dumating na yung aking in-order from Tubo. Is it Tubo? Tubo, whatever. In-order para sa kay Bubu. Nagagamitin niya going to Bali. And also, para sa self ko. Where's the scissor? Ang kinagigiliwan ng lahat na mag-order sa Tubo. Kararating lang. Unboxing. Okay. First box. Okay, probably this is the headset or the microphone. Wireless microphone. I think so. Yes, the oh, so cute. So tiny. So tiny. Yes, the wireless microphone. Okay, the wireless microphone for vlogging. Para pag nag-record sa simbahan, medyo malakas ang sound with, ano siya, with case. Okay. Mamaya ako na ito i-try kung okay siya. Okay ang sound. For the second, what's this? Oh, the goggle. The goggle. The goggle for Bubu. It's okay ah. How much this one? It's only like 39 or less than $50. See, let me see. Oopsies. Okay, see. Oh, it's nice. With, ano to? What's this? Maybe the extra, anyway. Okay, it's here already. That's for Bubu. Hope it's complete. Okay, so next, what's this? Dami kong in-order eh. Order lang ng order. Hindi naman ako nagpapayad. Oh, it's my long dress. Eh? It seems like the material is really hot. For the old mama. For the easy go. Oh no. The material hindi pasado sa akin, mainit, pero okay lang, let's pagtsagaan. Next, let's talk about this. Oh, for Bubu's swimming trunk, I guess so, yeah. Yes. So his swimming trunk. Oh, it's complete with the, what is this one? The head cap. Okay, let me see the main. material. Oh, it's nice. It's okay. It's nice. Oh, perfect size for him. This is a one set. Meron siyang long pants. And then shorts. This is the shorts. Tapos, if he wants to wear long pants, here. Okay. It might be. Anyway, even though this is stretchable anyway, it's okay. Yeah. It's okay. Then another. I'll keep this plastic so I can use it later. Another one. I think the other color of the swimming trunk is a white and black. Probably this one. Yeah, this one. Another one. Yeah. This one is the zipper. The top is zipper. Like also one set with 3 pieces inside. Yeah. It's okay. It's okay, right? It's okay, the material. Check. With pants. Yeah, with pants also. If he wants to wear pants. And then the long one. But I prefer the material of the black one. And this one is more expensive than. This one is more expensive. The black one. But the material is like more. Okay, this one. The black one. Next. What is this one? Is this the pants? This pants or. Yeah. Chippy. My pants, the lady pants for me. Yeah. Let me see. Oh no. The weave is okay. Only the waist is probably tight. But anyway. Actually sa Tobo may mga maganda silang quality eh. Another one. Saka mura lang naman so huwag manghinayang. Yeah, same thing. Yeah, probably the waist might be tight. Si linen daw, linen. True. With this one, probably the jeans. Hubos jeans. Yeah, it's jeans, the black color. Let me see the length. Bubu. Yes, I think so. He will love this thing. Perfect length. Yes. This is what he wants. Pagi. And he needs belt, right? Because the waist is like too big. Very soft. Soft material. And then another. This is just another jeans. Yeah, another jeans. Another same color, black. Okay, this one is like black. Oh, lale. Oh, wait, with like this. With bling. Oh, with bling. With bling for men. Why? Oh. Probably. Yeah, anyway. But it's really big. Oh. It's so white. Oh, anyway, this is what Bobo wants now. Yung mga ano, hip hop style. But the bling bling bling, I don't think so he's gonna use it. Bling bling bling. Can be a keychain for his bag. And then the last one is the water shoe. Hopefully this is his size. In order namin is one size bigger. One size bigger. Okay. One size bigger. Oh, did I put it? Yeah, it's okay. Perfect size. For his water shoe. For Bali. Yeah. And then I think so. Big size. This is a one bigger size. 45. Yes. It's nice. Okay, and that's it. That's it for today. That's my unboxing video. So far so good. Don't expect the good quality, but actually the jeans, I like the jeans. It's light. Only my own. Very cheapy. Pero pag dito to sa Hong Kong, pag binili mo nasa $60. Cleaning, but it's okay. Maybe here, I'll lose the elastic. Okay. That's it. That's it, pansit. Sana nag-enjoy kayo sa aking unboxing. Baboos, have a nice day.